Hello. Hello.
Whilst observing this horrific scam, it's actually quite hilarious how many victims realise what's going on and hang up the call. I've watched for an hour at a time sometimes, and they don't even get as far as saying who they are before the victim hangs up.
Hi ma'am, very good day to you. This is Sam Martin. I am calling you from Sky Technical Department. Well, how are you doing today? And this call is in regards your internet connection, okay? As this is just hello. Hi ma'am, very good day to you. This is Sam Martin. I am calling you from Sky Technical Department. Well, how are you doing today? Hello. And this call is regards your internet connection, okay? As this is just to inform, we are receiving last couple of days continuously lots of error warning reports constantly from your internet. Okay, okay, okay. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Sorry about that, I couldn't help it. But in all seriousness, I think it's to do with the way this guy says hello on the phone. He literally deafens the would be victim. So we'll observe now when they switched headsets to a different scammer with a slightly more ear friendly voice, and we'll see what happened.
Oh, so you got a current status there coming up to you? You got a current status after the scan? Could you just read me the whole message so that I can try and understand?
So, for some context, these scammers are running a scam which sort of combines a Sky scam with a tech support scam and a refund scam. It's a very interesting one. You can see here that he's run the tree command and typed a fake message. He then says that the victim needs a new router, and he then says something about compensation, which you'll hear about in just a minute.
Now we understand, madam, alright, that you are saying that after the scan of your internet IP, it's showing that your router got expired and error has been received. Now we understanding like when we are trying to go ahead and upgrade the internet security, why it is not taking place because the router that you're having it's a faulty router. Alright. So congratulations for that. You've been eligible to receive a new router without any cost. Alright. So I would be giving you some information in relation to the new router, how you are receiving a new router, who is going to go ahead and get the configuration done with the new router. Alright, and I'll also explain you about the compensation. So since you've been eligible to receive a new router, the router would be getting dispatched today and it would be getting arriving to you tomorrow morning. Okay, between 10 and 11 a.m. Alright, you can write down the timing 10 and 11, and that would be coming from Essential Speed Post. Essential Speed Post. Alright, and name of the router that you're receiving it tomorrow morning. Alright, that is called Sky Hub Booster. Sky Hub Booster version 3.0. Version or the addition of the router is version of the router would be no Sky Hub Booster. S as in Sierra, K as in Kilo, Y as in Yankee, then Booster, B as in Bravo, O as in yep, Sky Hub Booster, and version 3.0. Alright. Now since madam you're saying yep, right, as you're saying to me that you've been working from home, alright, and if there's a problem with the internet then there would be a problem for your work as well. So we need to resolve this problem urgently. Alright. By today we're gonna go ahead. Alright madam, no problem though. Okay, so secondly, alright, I would like to let you know a few of the configurations have been getting registered under your name. We're gonna go ahead and dispatch you the new router by tomorrow today and would be arriving to you tomorrow morning. Now after that, madam, alright, you've been also eligible to receive a compensation of £204 and 65p. Do you have any idea why you've been eligible to £204 and 65 pence? Right. Do you have any idea why you've been eligible to receive this compensation? Alright, I would like to give you a brief information. When you sign up the paperwork with us, alright, the agreement, there was a section 16 and a section B was completely written that whenever the service provider would be failing to provide the services to the customer or the user will be eligible to receive this compensation. Alright. That means so, alright, like from past few days we are trying to receive the notification coming up from your internet IP but we cannot go ahead and work on that. So that's the reason the Department of Internet Security has grabbed that information and made you eligible to receive this compensation. So congratulations for that. All right. Now, secondly, I would like to let you know that why it is 204 quids and 65 pence. Because if you try and notice, while paying the bills on time, there's an entertainment taxes that get add on top of the bill. Roughly, we have counted that is somewhere around 17 pounds and 05 pence for each month. And if you calculate that for a 12 month or rather 1 year, that is coming 204 pounds and 65. All right. This means so you're receiving back your own money in the means of compensation. All right. Now the compensation process would be held in some time right now. All right. Though we have saved all the informations. All right. In the database. All right. And we, as you know, we are working under the Data Protection Act. All right. So for the security reason, all right, there would be a short verification that would be done on this recorded line to make them aware to the higher departments that you are the user who has been eligible to receive this compensation. Okay. So without wasting any more of time, alright, we would be doing a short recording on this recorded line, and after that we would be completing the compensation process. So are we ready right now? Right. Here my first verification question appears. Please verify with your full name with the spelling. And this would be few information. In the meantime, if you receive any message coming up from the main server, please let me know. So I'm here with you, alright? Once you're handy with the pen and a paper, please write down the Sky router ID.
Once again here, the headset is passed to a different scammer.
Correct, madam. And we have another as well for you, madam. Sky router ID.
And then passed straight back.
Sky router ID, the second version. Alright, I'm giving it to you. And I just got the information from the Sky main server itself. When the verification would be going on, alright, you would see a black or a blank screen coming up though. What I'm trying to explain to you, they have sent a compensation link to you. Right. You check the statements online, right? So, which browser do you use for internet banking? Like Google Chrome, Safari, okay? Like in the personal laptop? Like the Safari in where? Like mobile phone or the iPad? Alright. You need to go with the Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. Alright? Because the compensation link would be only initiated for the internet banking, and that would be only held from the Internet Explorer. Alright? So do you have an Internet Explorer to your laptop or Google Chrome? You have an Internet Explorer?
Now
Right,
you
open
can
the
see that the
Internet
scammer is
Explorer.
trying to get the victim to log onto their online banking, and chances are, because the victim has come this far, she will log onto the online banking. So shortly we will be stopping the scammer from scamming this victim and calling the victim to let her know exactly what's going on.
And in which device you are doing it, because they are not finding the indication which device you're using. Alright, because it has been coming from the banking main server. Alright, there is no human being who has been getting connected. Alright, only you and the network banking. Listen to me, madam. Alright, see what I'm trying to explain to you. The message that you have received in that device, alright, you need to go ahead and check for the internet banking of NavWest. That is the mobile banking. Well, madam, that is mobile banking. That is not internet banking. Alright, the internet banking would be only done with the laptop, on the laptop itself, alright, where you're connected from the Sky main server. What do you see, madam? We have very less time in our hand. Hello?
She was getting closer and closer to logging into her online banking, so we thought this was the time to strike and prevent her getting scammed. Scammers, okay, and they are currently connected to your computer. I'd really appreciate... Hello, they're trying to scam you. Please listen to me.
Hello, can you hear me? This is just, I'm meant to be on the other line with someone, but it's now cut off.
Yeah, because we cut it off because they're trying to steal your money.
They're trying to steal my money.
Yes, please just turn off your computer. I'm watching the scammer's computer, you see, and I'm preventing them from scamming people, yeah?
Oh my goodness. So they would, oh wow.
They wanted you to log into your online banking. They would have blackened out your screen so you can't see anything, and they would have taken your money. They said they were from Sky, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not from Sky. They're from a call centre in India.
Wow, oh my goodness.
Yeah, so please just get them off your computer.
Yeah, I've turned it off.
Okay, once you turn it back on, you need to get rid of...
TeamViewer.
Hold on, let me shut it down. Should I shut it?
Yeah, shut it down, please.
I think they're trying to even access my, oh my god.
Don't let them on anything, yeah? And if they're still on your landline, just make sure you don't answer the phone to them.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm getting.
Yeah, it's lucky that we've caught this. What it is, I work online and I catch scammers, and if I observe a scammer trying to scam someone like yourself, I'll do anything I can to stop it.
Thank you so much. Like literally, I was about to literally just log into my NatWest.
No, you never want to do that. And if anyone ever calls you and tells you they're from Sky, from Microsoft, from anything, they're lying to you. They will never call you and ask you to give them access to your computer, ever.
Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm turning back my They're just calling right now again.
Just don't answer the phone to them. Whatever you do, I can actually see them trying to call you. They use a phone on their computer. But yeah, just have you restarted your computer?
Yeah, I am.
Do you know how to uninstall programs?
Programs? No.
Okay. Once it's logged on, you don't use TeamViewer for work or anything, do you?
No, I don't use that. No.
Okay, so once your computer's logged on, just let me know, please, and I'll tell you how to get rid of it so they can't access your computer again.
Okay. Okay, great, thank you. Because I didn't understand. I was literally on the phone for an hour and I was getting really frustrated. Like I said, I'm working from home.
Yeah. I was watching for about 40 minutes and I thought this was the appropriate time, because what we did was we stopped their access to their phone, and then that was our chance to call you and let you know what's going on.
Oh, great, thank you.
It's no problem at all. It's anything I can do to help you, sir.
Thank you. So what should I literally turn back on again?
Yeah, turn back on your computer and just let me know when you've logged in and you can see your desktop, okay?
Yeah, so, yeah, I can, so...
You're back on your computer, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, can you hold the Windows key and press R, please?
Yeah.
And in the box, type in there APP WIZ dot CPL
L.
Yes, L. And press enter, and it should come up with a list of installed programs.
Yeah, hold on. They told me to even also let me delete the app from my phone.
Yeah, please delete the app from your phone as well.
Yeah, I've deleted it now. Yeah. So now it says uninstall or change.
Yeah.
Or change your program.
Scroll down on that list, please, until you see anything to do with TeamViewer.
I don't think I can see. I don't think I can see anything right now.
You don't see anything to do with TeamViewer?
No.
They might have got you to install Quick Support then.
Yeah.
It was Quick Support, was it?
Yeah.
Okay, if it was Quick Support, just make sure there's nothing open on your computer to do with TeamViewer. Make sure there's nothing on your desktop or anything like that. It's like a blue icon.
Yeah. No, definitely no. I can't see it right now.
Just you go to the right hand corner of your screen and expand the little arrow that points upwards for me, please. Just next to your Wi-Fi icon and your battery.
Oh yeah, that one. Yeah.
Yeah. Just click on that and see if there's like a little blue square in there with 2 arrows.
2 arrows. I think I can see a blue one, but I don't. Sorry, it is.
It's, the icon that you're looking for is like a blue square and it's got 2 arrows pointing outwards.
Yeah. So I think but it says Intel.
Oh no! Don't kill anything that's called Intel. That's fine. Then if you definitely don't see TeamViewer, you should be alright, and there shouldn't be.
Yeah, no, no. With TeamViewer isn't there. I would have recognised the icon, but it's not there.
Okay, perfect. As long as you cannot see TeamViewer anywhere, then you should be safe.
Yeah, I can't see it.
Okay, that's perfect. Just for the future, please never let anyone you don't personally know connect to your computer, just to be safe.
Okay.
Because I don't want you to get scammed. I don't want anyone to get scammed, you know. So.
Literally, oh my god, I can't believe it.
So you would have checked your online banking, and a large amount would have been missing, and I can imagine that's horrible for any person to see.
Of course. Oh my goodness.
Well, I'm glad that I caught this. Me and my friend watched the screens of the scammers, and I'm glad we caught this, basically. So I've prevented you.
Yeah, I'm very grateful.
It's not a problem at all. As long as we can help you stop getting scammed, then that's what we're here for.
Thank you so much, because I would have been very upset.
Of course, as would anyone.
I would have been happy. But yeah, thank you so much.
That's
Hopefully that will be all.
Yeah, that.
I can't see the icon any Yeah,
Okay.
so hopefully that's it.
Okay, that should be okay. Then you shouldn't have any problems.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much for listening, and please just be careful with who you let on your computer. Okay.
Alright then, we'll do.
Thank you so much.
Alright then.
Cheers. Bye bye. I love doing that. Honestly, I love it.